Defense attorneys in Donald Trump's quiet cash trial are balanced Friday to burrow into an account of the previous distributor of the National Enquirer and his endeavors to protect Trump from negative stories during the 2016 decision. David Pecker will return to the witness stand for the fourth day as defense lawyers attempt to jab gaps in his declaration, which has depicted making the difference bury embarrassing stories Trump dreaded might harm his campaign. Pecker, so distant, has painted a tacky representation of catch-and-kill newspaper plans, catching a possibly harming story by buying the rights to it, and after that murdering it through ascensions that anticipate the paid individual from telling the story to anybody else. The cross-examination, which started Thursday, will cap a considerable week within the criminal cases the previous president is confronting as he competes to recover the White House in November. The charges center on $130,000 in installments that Trump's company made to his then-lawyer, Michael Cohen. He paid that entirety on Trump's sake to keep porn-performing artist Stormy Daniels from going open with her claims of a sexual experience with Trump a decade prior. Trump has denied the experience ever happened. Prosecutors say Trump darkened the genuine nature of those installments and dishonestly recorded them as lawful costs. He has pleaded not guilty to 34 lawful offense counts of misrepresenting trade records. The case is the first ever criminal trial of a previous U.S. president and the first of 4 indictments of Trump to reach a jury. Indeed, by National Enquirer standards, testimony by its previous publisher David Pecker at Donald Trump's quiet cash trial this week has uncovered an astounding level of debasement at America's best-known newspaper and may one day be seen as the minute it viably passed on. "It just has zero credibility," said Lachlan Cartwright, official editor of the Enquirer from 2014 to 2017. Whatever sort of validity it had was completely harmed by what happened in court this week. On Thursday, Pecker was back on the witness stand to tell more around the arrangement he made to boost Trump's presidential candidacy in 2016, tear down his rivals, and hush any disclosures which will have harmed him. Choke arrange infringement hearing, re-ski dueled trimum p campaign events. A alter within the court plan implies Donald Trump won't be constrained off the campaign path following week to go to a hearing in his quiet cash criminal trial in modern York. Judge Juan M. Merchan moved a hearing on the previous president's affirmed choke arrange infringement to following Thursday, maintaining his strategic distance from a struggle with his planned campaign occasions following Wednesday. Merchan had at first set the hearing for following Wednesday, the trial's normal off day. Trump is planned to hold campaign occasions that day in Michigan and Wisconsin. His attorneys have encouraged the judge not to hold any procedures on Wednesdays so he can campaign. The hearing, presently set for 9:30 a.m. following Thursday, May 2, relates to an indictment asked that Trump be penalized for abusing his choke arranged this week on 4 partitioned events. The arrange bars Trump from making comments approximately witnesses and others associated to the case. Merchan is as of now reflecting holding Trump in scorn of court and fining him up to $10,000 for other charged choke arrange infringement.